What's gonna hit y'all? It's your homie back. What's gonna hit y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone. What's up, y'all? I know it's been a cool minute, but I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I got no other than another product to share with you guys. I found this at TJ Maxx, I believe, for like $14.99, brand new. It was factory sealed too, and that's really hard to come by. It is called TW Sport True Wireless EARBUDS. Right there, boom. It's one of those earbuds that loop around your ears. I actually think those are a little bit more better for you. Well, it's more better if you're like an active person. I don't know, move around a lot or something like that, or maybe you just like jamming the good music and just bobbing your head, and then, you know, like the ones without the loop will fall off, and then I don't know. These ones, I feel like they would just stay on your ear, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it looked great. The price looked great. That's why I copped it. Yeah, so now let's open this product and see if this is worth the $14.99. okay? I also searched it up on Google and Amazon and stuff like that, and I think it was running for like 30 bucks. So who knows, man? Big discount right there. On the back of this real quick, it shows that it has like a charging dock. All these other earbuds that I seen would have like a little casing, like a clamshell case, but this one doesn't. That might be a little setback, but yeah, that's about it. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's open this and test it out. All right, let's do it. Be careful, y'all. Don't do this at home. Yeah, cut that right there. Cut that right there. Yeah, cut that right there. Also, happy 4th of July. Happy late 4th of July, and whatever else holidays coming up. Alright, yeah. Okay, guys. Plastic wrap right there. Oh, yeah, buddy. Okay, okay. So on the box, it says these earbuds have a 10-hour play time, which is pretty long, man. That's what she said. Alright, let's open this real quick. Hello! So it doesn't even look brand new, y'all. It looks like there's some dirt and some scuffs on it. There you go. You guys can see it. I don't know. Let's take it out. Alright, so in the back of it, you get your charger and I believe extra earbud pieces. And then you get your little manual booklet right there. Nothing else. Yikes! I try not to throw it too high this time. Now let's get into this bad boy itself. Okay, this is the charging dock right there. That's how it looks like. USB charge, one button. Oh snap, that's a wireless charge. Is that what they said earlier on the box? Oh yeah, it says it comes with a charge case. So I'm guessing this is the case. It doesn't look like a case to me. This looks more like a dock. Okay, and here it goes. This is one of the earbuds right there. Right off the bat, the build quality is really it's cheap. Yeah, it's like plastic, super plasticky. The rubber's not even like sturdy neither. It's just, I don't know, like it's not like high quality. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know. Anyways, okay, it says charging dock right here. Has these things right there poking out. These little rods or pins, whatever you want to call it, to do with this thing right there. So we're gonna plug that in. It says right side and left side, so like that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, and it's charging right there. Boom, you guys see that red? And this turns blue right there. Okay, okay, bam. All right, both of them are charging. That's a good sign, a very good sign. All right, and that's how it looks like. That's actually pretty cool, man. You just leave it on your desk somewhere. You know, like, okay, it's time for my workout. Oh my god. Okay, don't do that, you might break it. Okay, let's turn these bad boys on and connect it to my phone. Okay, so I guess this is gonna be the on button right there on both sides. Alright, so to turn it on, you just hold both of them down for like a couple of seconds and it should turn on. I'm gonna put these on right now. Okay guys, that's how it looks like on. Not too bad, not too bad. It's a little bit bulky, but not too bad. Okay, now let's look for these bad boys, okay? Alright, right away it shows TW Sport, which is right there. Click that. Hopefully it's not gonna be too loud. Requests, yes. Oh! They were hella loud, bro. What the hell? Alright, okay. Alright, that was scary as hell. It connected. That's a good sign. If you guys can see that right there, it is connected. Holy crap, that was loud. That scared the crap out of me. It is at 60% batteries. And now let me play a music real quick just to make sure it works. Oh my god. Woo! Okay, it works. Oh!
My style, untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone. You're calm, there's multiple. When I shoot them down, just smoke on the spot.
The song that I'm listening to right now is one of my songs that I made. I have a YouTube channel. You can check it out, WASSSUP. I'll put a link down below so y'all can go check it out and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah. But man, these headphones are actually pretty good, man. Like it has decent bass. I'll give that. You know, a lot of these headphones that I have, the bass aren't always there, but this one is pretty good. It's pretty crisp. You know, like it's not like super soundproof, but I can still hear around. I can still hear the music pretty well. I don't know if I'm talking too loud or not. This is pretty cool. All right, let me see if I could make a phone call with these. Okay, I'm calling my girlfriend right now. My phone. There's a charger right here. Oh, she didn't pick up. Okay, plan B. Let's call my nephew. I'm gonna just put my phone right here. This is the charger right here. In the meantime, I'm gonna be putting this in right here. And then you can put this into your PC. Hello? Hello? Darren? Hey, can you hear me? Is it loud? Wait, can you hear me now? Is it low or is it like loud? Or like normal, I mean. It's weird. Is my voice like normal? Like just talking on the phone? No? What does it sound like? Like what do you mean weird? Like is it low, high, is it distorted? It's not. What do you mean? I know I'm your uncle. Oh, well, but you can hear me though, right? Oh, it's bad quality? Oh, dang. Okay, well, alright, so is it hard to understand me or anything? Oh, okay. Okay, well, thank you. I'm using these headphones that I got. That's why I'm making a video on it. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Okay, so I just got off the phone with my nephew and he said the quality is bad. Like he can hear me, he can understand me, but it's like, I don't know. He said he couldn't really explain it. He said it sounded weird. I don't think he could say it was bad quality. Maybe it sounds like choppy. Maybe, I don't know. But he didn't say it was choppy. He just said it was bad quality. So making phone calls with these headphones might not be the way to go. But for $14.99, man, the music was awesome. I could listen to music. I could hear everything pretty well. The mic, the built-in mic is not that great. It says these earbuds have a Bluetooth version of 5.0. That is really high. It says the battery capacity is 40 milliamp battery. The charging case is 200 milliamp battery. Charging time is about 1 to 2 hours. Standby time is about 100 hours. Output is 5 volts / 100. I don't know what that means. Playing time is up to 10 hours. I already said that earlier. Yeah, that's about it, man. If you guys are looking for like an inexpensive earbuds with the loop that is truly wireless for like, you know, working out, whatever you guys want to do. I think they have like a TW Sports 2 or 3. I don't know. This one is like just the first one. $14.99, not bad at all, man. I'm not taking a loss with that. These crap out in due time. It was under 20 bucks, man. They're gonna last for a while, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is just take care of them. I don't know if it's sweat proof or not. It doesn't say anything on the box itself. Yeah, it doesn't say that it is sweat proof, but I mean, it says sports. It should be sweat proof. Yeah, it's not waterproof or sweat proof because it didn't say nothing about it, so be mindful about that. They're not bad. I'll give it that. It's not bad. If I had to rate it out of a 10, I will give these a solid 7. Solid 7. Just because the mic is bad. Build quality could be better. It's really plasticky, but you know, I guess if you drop it, it won't break. Whoa, almost dropped it right there. The pairing was really quick, which I really like. The charging, this thing could have been better. I mean, it's just I'm not a fan of anything with like pins poking out like that because it can break easily. It can snap if I, you know, pull it out the wrong way. If this thing had a magnet, you know, attach your headbuds to, then that would have been a plus. That would have been way better in my opinion. But these pins, I'm not a big fan about that. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty good, man. If you're not looking to spend over 40 bucks or something, this is the way to go. But I highly recommend you guys to just spend that extra money just to save you the headache, okay? I say that in a lot of my videos, but it's true. I'm making these videos to help you guys out as well, to make sure you guys know what you guys are gonna be spending your money on. I'm not really tripping because I could find a use for these, or I can just give it to somebody who needs it, you know? And it's not that expensive, like I said, you know, you're not breaking the bank. TEK or whatever it's called. I can't even find these on Amazon, actually. I try to look for them, but I can't find them. If I do come across them on Amazon or something like that, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to pick up. And yeah. Hey guys, that is my time. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking the video, subscribing, all of that good stuff. It means a lot to me, okay guys? Once again, I am so sorry for not making as much content as I usually do. I got a new job, so I'm trying to transition over to that, you know, trying to adjust to this new schedule and lifestyle that I have. Yeah, you know, we're just trying to upgrade, we're just trying to go straight to the top. So yeah guys, other than that, with that being said, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see y'all in the future. Deuces. Wireless, hey buzz, GT, GW.
Let's not pretend we all wanna get rich. We all wanna get rich. Let's not pretend.